Hi guys, welcome back to another process video. This time it's going to be a 6x8 process, and this is a layout that will be going in my 2021 album. So it's actually my birthday spread, which is one of my favorites to do every year. It's usually the first or one of the first spreads that go in my album because my birthday is in the middle of January. But this year was still very much lockdown, quarantine time, so we couldn't do anything too crazy for my birthday. So my boyfriend and I just went and had a really wonderful picnic at a beautiful lookout point near where we live. And I'm using a bunch of items from the Yay collection by My Mind's Eye. I got it at Tuesday morning, not that long ago, just like during the summer. And I was excited to use it for this album or this layout. I always like to do like a pretty colorful page for my birthday because I feel like it's fun and celebratory. But I just grabbed some background paper and a few pieces of the ephemera, and I'm using a little tab that I made with my tab punch that I got from scrapbook.com. And I'm just putting the date, which is 01 or the January 16th, 2021. So my birthday is January 16th. And I wanted to, even though I know what my birthday is and I know what year it is in this album, it's like a fun thing to add because I don't know, there's something about seeing your birth date written out that's like exciting. I don't know if that's just me, but it's, an exciting day for me because it's my birthday. I think the ephemera in this kit is really cute, but I was afraid I wouldn't use it, so I'm trying to pull it out every chance I get to make sure that I actually use it and it's not something that just sits in a drawer. And I'm having a bit of a struggle putting on these stickers. And in between the little date, I put two little dots with my Nuvo drops. This is a pretty new product to me. It's something I've heard about before, but never used. And I'm sure you probably know what they are, but if you don't, it's like a little, almost like dimensional glue bottle that um, you can kind of like pipe out your own enamel dots. So this is the Crystal Drops, and it's in the color Sweet Lilac. So I think it's really cute, and I was excited to use them because that color was like perfect for this page. So I'm just kind of playing around with that and still making decisions on which um, which ephemera pieces I want to use. And then I know I want to put my age. I turned 23. I wanted to put my age on there. So I was debating between um, gold sparkly letters or these colorful ones. I don't remember what they're from, but I think it's just a chipboard thickers set. And here I'm actually walking away to get my boyfriend's opinion. I think it's fun to ask him his opinion because it's totally like not jaded by scrapbooking. It's just fully him being like, I like this one. So he likes the colorful one better. I do like adding gold, and I do have gold accents on this page, but the yellow and the pink numbers were perfect with this color scheme. So I went with those. And now I'm actually making some serious decisions and like sticking stuff down. So it's just a photo of us, and you can probably see all the goodies we got for the picnic. Um, we got donuts. I had chocolate covered strawberries made that look like pandas, which were super cute because pandas are my favorite, if you didn't know. And then we have my favorite sparkling rose lemonade, a little charcuterie board with cheese and crackers and grapes, all kinds of good stuff. So just kind of all my favorite snacks. We also had a bag of Lay's sea salt and vinegar chips. So it was very classy, but also not at all. Um, but yeah, and I got to use my picnic basket, which I love. I got this thrifted picnic basket that I use as much as I can, and I've definitely gotten a lot of good use out of it. So we do actually go on picnics a lot, but this was definitely more of an extravagant one than our normal, typical picnics. I'm adding some washi tape layered. I definitely wanted to get to use, sorry if you hear my dog barking in the background. I wanted to get to use a lot of my washi tape colors because of the multicolored page. I thought it'd be a good way to use some of those washi tapes I don't use too often. I don't use a lot of bright yellow on my pages, so I thought that would be really cute. And I did this super cute little layered situation with a bunch of different washi tapes. And now I'm adhering the 23, which is kind of my title, I suppose. That ephemera piece on the right says happy birthday to you, the cake. So that could also, I guess, be the title. I don't feel like you need to have a title, but I think especially when I'm making these videos, I like to make the title of the video the title of the layout. And so is this 23? Is this happy birthday to you? I don't know. You'll see now because when you're watching this, I'll have put a title in. But I did kind of a diagonal embellishment thing. So some on the top left embellishments and some embellishments on the bottom right. And I used this little bit of iridescent thread that I had put together for some other spread and didn't use it. I thought that'd be a fun little celebratory embellishment. And now I'm using my little blue and white baker's twine. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby, but it's like the most beautiful shade of sky blue and white. And I'm just making a little bow and then deciding where to put it, making it a little smaller. I'm going to glue that down. There is where it ends up. But this is a pretty simple page. It's very fun. I didn't want to get too overwhelmed with all the embellishments. Even though I did put a good amount, I didn't want it to be wild because it's already so colorful. So I didn't want it to become overwhelming. But yeah, so I'm just going with it. I'm very excited. It's been a while since I actually made this page. I'm doing the voiceover much later, but it's, what month is it? It's October now as of doing the voiceover, and very far from my birthday. So I don't necessarily scrapbook things right after they happen. I just try and stay on top of it. And I think I made this page because I recently had gotten these goodies that were very on brand for my birthday. These stickers are my favorite. They're from Hobby Lobby and they're birthday celebrating pandas. And I knew I was going to put those on this page. Now I'm flipping through the sticker pack that came with the Yay collection. So the Tuesday morning pack I got came with the 6x8 paper pad, the ephemera pack, and these stickers. And it's a book of really, really cute stickers. They have gold foil, and they're very up-to-date, kind of. The other thing about this pack of scrapbooking stuff is it's not necessarily birthday themed, it's more celebration themed. So there's some stuff that say, welcome little baby, or congrats graduation stuff, or time to celebrate, dream big, you did it. So any kind of celebration, which I think is super cute. But it obviously felt very birthday to me, which is why I wanted to do this. I mean, there's like birthday candles on this background paper. But anyways, I really like it. And I also feel like it's a very up-to-date collection. I don't know if that makes sense, but there's sentiments like HBD or time to party, which maybe that's not a good example, but it feels like there's more up-to-date language. It's not as formal or as, I don't want to say corny, but kind of corny as some scrapbook stuff is, which I'm here for the corny. I use a lot of corny stuff in my pages. But I thought it was interesting, and maybe it's because I don't buy a lot of new collections, but this was kind of noticeable to me. Also, as a new 6x8 scrapbooker, what is the deal with 6x8 paper pads being too small for the 6x8 full page page protectors? It's not big enough. And I know that the 6x8 page protectors are a little bit bigger than 6x8, but why don't they make the paper pads to accommodate that? This is a problem I haven't noticed as much with 12x12, but it's very noticeable with the 6x8. It really bothers me. And you can see in this page, I put a backing paper to make it bigger, and it's like significantly smaller than the full size. So definitely let me know if that's something you've noticed and if there's something I'm missing. But back to what I'm actually doing, I stuck another panda down. They're so cute and I love them. And now I'm using my other Nuvo drops in collaboration with that purple one, which is the Crystal Drops in Blue Babe, another really beautiful color. I was excited that the two I purchased worked so well together in this collection. of like color schemes. So I use that, and then I'm just kind of sprinkling that all around. And what do I even have left? I don't even know if I do anything else. That might be the end of it. But I'm really happy with how this page came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see what goes on with my first 6x8 album. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!